Hey, you're late for your lesson, kid.
Sorry.
All right, let's get to it. Now here's the Earth in orbit around the Sun. For 5 points, what do we call the amount of time it takes for the Earth to make one complete trip around the Sun?
1 year.
1 year, you're right. 5 points. Okay, now let's go back and look at all the planets in the solar system. The closer a planet is to the Sun, the smaller its orbit, and the faster it moves, and therefore the shorter its year. Now for 4 points, which planet has the shortest year, only 88 Earth days?
Mercury.
Right on, kid, Mercury. Add 4 points to your score. Now, for another 4 points, tell me which planet has the longest year. Pluto, of course. Piece of cake, huh? That's 4 plus 9 equals 13 points. Great score today, kid. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, and kid, don't be late.
I won't.
Hold it, kid. Come on over here. Today, we're going to learn something very important about the planets. Now, you know all about planets going around the Sun in their orbits, right? But besides orbiting the Sun, each of the planets in our solar system also spins around on its own axis. Now, for 6 points, what do we call this spinning motion?
Rotation.
Rotation. That's great, kid. You got it right for 6 points. Let's do one more, okay?
Let's do it.
Now, just how long does it take the Earth to make one complete rotation? This is for 5 points. Here's a hint. It's a day plus a night.
24 hours.
Right again, 24 hours. Let's see, add 5 points to 6, and that gives you 11 points for today. Great score, kid. Hey, you're really getting to know your way around our solar system. You're a real smart kid.
Thanks.
Well, I'll see you tomorrow. All set to go, kid?
Yep.
Okay, blast off. Today, kid, we're going to take a closer look at the Sun. Of course, the Sun's light is too powerful for us to look at it with our naked eyes. So never look directly at the Sun, even for a second. Remember, always use the special filter. That's better, kid. Okay, here's the first question for 6 points. How old is the Sun? Is it 1 million years, 1 billion years, or about 4.5 billion years old?
4.5 billion years.
That's right, 4.5 billion years. Give yourself 6 points. Now, the Sun is by far the largest object in our solar system. For 6 more points, kid, about how many Earths could fit inside the Sun? About 1,000, 1 million, or 5 million?
1 million.
1 million, right again. Well, that makes it 12 points for today. Nice going. All systems go, kid. Let's fly. Keep your eyes peeled, kid. Now watch the navigation screen carefully. You see that small object coming toward us?
I see it.
Now freeze it for a sec. There are lots of small pieces of stone and metal like this drifting around in space. For 4 points, what are they called?
Meteoroids.
Meteoroids, right, 4 points. Let's follow this one and see where it goes. When a meteoroid enters the Earth's atmosphere, its name gets shorter. For 3 points, what is this new name? Right, meteor, 3 points. One last question, kid, for 3 more points. What nickname do people sometimes give to meteors?
Shooting stars.
Shooting stars, that's right, 3 more points. And that makes your total 10 for today. Nice work. Today, kid, we won't need to look at the whole solar system, just that section between the Earth and the Sun. Now, question number 1 for 7 points. How far is the Earth from the Sun? Is it 1,000 miles, 1 million miles, or is it 93 million miles? 93 million is correct. 7 points. Now this one's a little more difficult, kid, but it's worth 8 points, so give it your best shot. How long does it take heat and light from the sun to reach Earth? Is it 6 hours, a little over 8 minutes, or 1 day? Very clever, kid. You got it right. Over 8 minutes. Now, 8 plus 7 makes 15 points. Great score, kid. Hey, you're really getting to know your way around our solar system. Pretty smart, huh? Well, we'll see about that tomorrow. Howdy, kid. Raring to go?
Let's go.
Okay, blast off. Today, we're going to explore the planet closest to the Sun, Mercury. Now, here's today's first question for 2 points. What size is Mercury compared to Earth? Is Mercury bigger than Earth, or is it smaller? Or is it the same size as Earth?
Smaller.
It's smaller. You got it. 2 points. Okay, here's the next one now for 4 points. The surface of Mercury is dotted with round pits. What are they called? I'll give you a hint, kid. The moon has the same kind of pits.
Craters.
Craters, right again. 4 more points. Last one now for 7 points. Mercury lacks 2 important things necessary for life. What are they? Good work, kid. You got them both. Air and water. That's another 7 points for your score. 13 points today. Hey, keep up the good work. You ready to fly, kid?
Ready.
Okay, let's head for the sky. Today, we're going to take a close look at the second planet from the Sun, Venus. Now, for 2 points, what size is Venus compared to Earth? Is Venus smaller than Earth, or is it bigger, or is it about the same size as Earth?
Smaller.
Smaller, you got it, 2 points. You're off to a great start today, kid. Let's see if you can keep it going. Venus is wrapped in a thick layer of clouds, and while Earth's atmosphere has oxygen that we all must breathe, what poisonous gas fills the atmosphere of Venus? Now, this is a hard question, so I'll give you 9 points for the right answer. Is the atmosphere of Venus filled with nitrogen, helium, carbon dioxide, or hydrogen?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, that's right, kid. And that gives you 9 points, plus the 2 points for the first answer, so that's 11 points.
This is